Hi, it's Clark Reid with some tech headlines for you today. And if you like these reports, we always ask you to hit the like button if you wouldn't mind. And you can also subscribe so you don't miss an episode. After delaying since last fall, Apple has now rolled out its new MacBook Pros with the M2 Pro and M2 Max chips. MacRumors.com reports the upgraded MacBook Pros, that is, can be loaded up with up to 96 gigs of RAM. They support 8K HDMI monitors and support Wi-Fi 6E. The new chips are supposed to be 20% faster than the M1 chip laptops. The storage remains the same. You can configure them with up to an 8-terabyte SSD drive. They can be ordered today in both the 14 and 16-inch sizes. $19.99 for the 14-incher, $24.99 starting price for the 16-inch model. Google is apparently jumping into the tracker business, working on its own version of Apple's AirTags. The project is codenamed Grogu, after the Baby Yoda character in the Mandalorian series on Disney+. According to AndroidPolice.com, Google will use their installed base to help with locating devices like Apple does. They'll be joining not only Apple, but Tile, the original, and Samsung with trackers to keep track of your stuff. No word on whether they're building in safety measures to cut down on stalking, as Apple had to do after the fact. A Pixel Fold might be in the works. 9to5Google.com says a YouTuber has obtained what appears to be a case model of a Google Pixel Fold, which is claimed to be dimensionally accurate to the actual phone Google has in the works. The screen is wider than Samsung's folders, but it's got a little bit thicker bezels inside. It looks like a cam will be mounted in one of the bezels instead of under the screen. The hinge folds neatly, no gap between the two screens when it's closed. So it's got one of the new water drop hinges like Oppo and like Samsung is putting into their upcoming Fold 5, as we talked about yesterday. No info is leaked as to when Google's folder might hit the market. Co-founder of Nest and former Apple engineer Matt Rogers has brought Mill Industries out of stealth today. They offer a $33 a month service in the U.S. It includes rental of a digitally connected waste bin and free shipping of the dried waste to a plant that turns it into feed. GeekWire.com notes the gadget can turn food scraps into dried, odorless grounds overnight. Rogers has pointed out that 30% of food that's grown gets tossed, and rotting food in landfills releases methane gas that's 20 times worse than carbon monoxide for the atmosphere. What with the egg shortage right now and bird flu and how that's cut the chicken population, you can turn your food scraps into chicken feed. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.